The former Union Minister Babul Supriyo has joined Team Mamta. He was one of the first BJP MPs from West Bengal, which is why he was made a minister in 2014. But in August, the Asansol MP said he was quitting politics after being dropped as Union Minister of State for Environment and calling himself a one-team player. But today came the U-turn.
Babul Supriyo's alvida to politics, short-lived. The sitting BJP MP snapped up by Mamta Banerjee, who is on an acquisition spree with her eyes set on 2024. Supriyo had announced on 31st of July that he was quitting politics, but stayed on to serve his term as MP at Amit Shah and JP Nadda's insistence. Mamta Banerjee's offer changed everything.
I am very proud that I am changing the decision. I am changing the decision and coming back. I am not coming back to per se. I am coming back to opportunity, a great opportunity to serve Bengal.
It is a welcome move on the part of Babul Supriyo that he has joined our party. He is a very popular face not only in Bengal, even outside Bengal. People from different political parties, they are joining our party and to accept the leadership of Mamta Banerjee.
Supriyo is easily the biggest acquisition for Trinamool in recent weeks, even bigger perhaps than Congress's former MP Sushmita Dev. And his change in loyalty also an unmistakable snub to arch-rival BJP. The BJP is trying to shrug it off, labelling Supriyo an opportunist. Supriyo had made no secret of his disappointment when he was dropped as Union Minister in the last reshuffle.
7 years as a stretch, at a stretch he remained the minister. But I think he was politically very much greedy. Earlier you have seen that he was busy, treating Didi with jhal muri. So maybe, he was waiting for the deal.
No question, Supriyo is politically an asset who has proved his mettle by winning twice from the Lok Sabha seat in 2014 and 2019. All eyes now on where Trinamool deploys him. For starters, it could be the Rajya Sabha. Earlier this week, MP Arpita Ghosh resigned from the upper house for no known reason. Buzz is for Supriyo, Trinamool catapulting him centre stage to take on the BJP with immediate effect. With Monitipa Banerjee in Kolkata, Bureau Report, NDTV.